Umunna Community Association of Central Florida is now inviting you to attend their annual New Yam Festival, August 8, 2015, at the Orlando Garden Club, located at 710 East Rollins Street, Orlando, Florida 32803. Chai! This year's festival will be off the chain, with entertainment ranging from women's cultural dance, masquerade, children's dance, with assorted African music provided by yours and popular DJ Double E, jollof rice, pepper soup, mai, and of course yam fufu will be plenty. People all over US and Africa coming. Don't miss it. Hotel accommodation is now available at discount rate from Quality Inn and Suite, 626 Lee Road, Orlando, Florida 32810. Phone number 407-645-5600. Or you can check in at Crown Plaza, Orlando downtown, 304 West Colonial Drive, Orlando, Florida 32801. With phone number 407-241-1249 or 407-295-7564. This ad is brought to you by African Network Television ANTV in conjunction with the Umunna Community Association of Central Florida. Be there!